Oh, puro bukan.
May toothpaste pa rin. Toothpaste. May toothpaste ba kayo? Ang laki. Ang hindi ako nakapagdala nga eh. May toothpaste dyan.
When I was his first owner, he used my hand sometimes. I got terrified because I was so little. My so cute! You are now a goody boy.
Magaling na yung mata niya.
Oh, who's a good boy? I didn't realize I was like
Hinahalakan ni Ate Princess yan.
Kasi niya yan eh. Yung birthday gift ko sa kanya.
so fluffy. Next stitch.
Hindi sa totoo lang.
Oh, so cute and fluffy.
Naglilinis ko yan. Tapos ito, look at this oh. Kami ng asawa ko. Yan oh.
I'm afraid.
Picture namin. Ito, ay mami oh.
I'm afraid to touch him with my face. I'm afraid.
Oh, subo muna ikaw.
Bad.
Subo muna.
My phone.
Subuin mo muna yan.
Give me my phone.
Ngayon,
Give me my phone.
nagbi-video tayo. You finish your, muna, adobo. Ay, the other one, is looking at you. Huwag mo papasukin kasi baka maaway si Brownie.
Bakit nag-aaway ba sila?
Yes, sometimes.
No. Ma, give me that na.
No, you have to finish muna. You have to finish your food muna.
Give me that first.
Hindi. No. Gagawin mo si Brownie, nilulok ka eh. Diba? Brownie!
Ma, pet him.
Oh, you pet him.
I was his first owner.
You're his first little
I
owner.
was his first little owner.
Hmm.
Now, you pet him. You're her first owner. Come on. You're the biggie owner. Come on.
Ano?
Come pet him.
Oh, pet him daw.
Sige.
Brownie! Choo 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 choo!
Pet him on the head.
Okay. Baka naman makagat yung puso mo.
Hindi nagkakagat yan.
Hindi nagkakagat.
Come on, the video won't get any likes if you don't pet him.
Okay. Oh, you pet him.
Picturean mo, tapos pilitan mo kikita mo.
Picture natin ganun, ha? Abot yung mga picture kita kay Brownie na. Teka lang. Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Oo, nag-carwash pa si Tito. O sige na, ubusin mo na.